Welcome, here I've got REALME C21 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we tap to this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and one of these buttons from the left is the camera frame, so our aspect ratio. We are in 4:3 ratio. One tap to change this to 1:1, and as you can see the background has changed to the square one. Another tap and we can go to the full aspect ratio, full camera frame. This is how it looks like. And when we pick this button once again, we get access also to 16:9. Another tap and we go back to 4:3, the original one. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.